Hi guys, welcome back to a brand new video. Today I'm going to introduce you to a Matchbox vehicle again. This is about the 2022 Renault Twizy. A very special vehicle, in my opinion. But it's very cool that Matchbox definitely provides us with this as a small mini model. I think it's very cool that they produce it here this year 2025, just released in a new color. I don't even know, what kind of color is that? Rather orange, I would say. Here with the rear print, with the Renault logo and the Twizy. At the front also again with the Renault logo and the headlights. A very nice vehicle, I think. Good model in any case. It looks kind of cute. I think it's a pretty cool vehicle in general. It already existed in 2022, in a different color. I'll show you again briefly. And in this color here. Blue. Was it available before? And now, in 2025 with this new color, here you can see the differences. The background has changed a bit. Otherwise, the vehicle has remained relatively the same, so completely the same except for the paintwork. Of course, the color of the paintwork, but otherwise, not much has changed. And of course, the card is a bit different now in 2025, but otherwise it's the same vehicle. I wanted to show it briefly for comparison, and of course I'll also give you the data about the vehicle. However, this vehicle no longer exists. It is no longer produced. It was manufactured from 2021 by Renault until 2023. Then the production was stopped because I think the vehicle did not sell as well as Renault hoped. I can still remember when they introduced the vehicle back then, it was portrayed as a revolution in urban traffic. They expected that soon in Paris, where Renault is also produced and comes from France, that soon everyone in Paris would drive such a car, so that there would be less traffic jams and fewer traffic problems in Paris. When you drive such a small electric vehicle, which of course was also one of the reasons good for the environment. This vehicle has a 12 HP engine, a 12 HP electric motor, and a top speed of 80 km/h. Which is enough for the city. And it only has a range of 80 to 100 kilometers, or a range up to 60 miles, which is also not much. So this vehicle had really only been designed for the city or for city traffic. Maybe that's why it flopped. However, you can see it from time to time. I have seen that some pizza delivery companies, for example, still have this vehicle in operation, with which they deliver pizza. Otherwise, this vehicle is really very rare on roads in general. You don't see it often. Every now and then you can see one, as I said, at pizza delivery companies, and otherwise rather less. Probably, even if only in larger cities, probably in the country, you don't see this vehicle at all. I hope you enjoyed the video. I will also offer this vehicle in my online shop under www.big-mike.us. Feel free to stop by. I would be happy. Until the next video.